Hello folks, it's been a long time since I posted last. I've been on hiatus over the past few months. The last post was in October of 2022 and today is February 1st, 2023, and I'm beginning the new season here on Shoestring Shipyard Sailing. But of course we're here in Downeast Maine. It's presently 19 degrees Fahrenheit. It was about 3 degrees Fahrenheit this morning. The polar vortex is swinging down across northern New England, and so in the next couple of days we expect to see temperatures well below zero on the Fahrenheit scale, with wind chills down to about 50 below. I think around here we're expecting about 15 degrees below zero, the ambient temperature. So right now we're considering this a warm front. Anyway, this is starting the 4th season of Shoestring Shipyard Sailing. I began this channel in April of 2020, so I had 3 seasons under my belt now, 2020, 21, and 22, and there's about 140 videos posted. If you go to the Shoestring Shipyard Sailing homepage on YouTube, just click on videos and they'll all come up. Of course, they're also broken down by playlist into different categories, so you don't have to look at anything you're not interested in. So I have a lot of stuff planned, and one thing you're going to notice is that I'm going to make it a little bit easier to track what season and the video and so forth. So this video, I'm marking it as season 4. So it's going to be marked season 4 or S-4 and episode 1 or Ep-1. So you see S-4 Ep-1, it's the first video of this particular season. And so that's how I'm going to do it from now on. And I don't anticipate any upcoming boat building or maintenance projects anytime soon. I just wanted to touch base with everybody and let you know I'm still here. But it is the middle of winter here in Downeast Maine, and things are quite frigid. And since my shop is not insulated or heated, I don't really do any work in the shop. And of course, my new sailboat that I'm building, Hoorah, is outside. And so I'm not doing anything with that either right now. It's under wraps, covered with snow and ice over the top. And besides, this time of year, adhesives and epoxy, that kind of thing, you can't use anyway. So that's it for now. I hope you stick with me. Keep watching. Subscribe if you haven't. Thumbs up, please. Yep, it's in my mitten there somewhere. And all that good YouTube stuff. Like and share and and all those things. And I appreciate it. That helps me build the channel and keeps me going. And if you need other stuff to see, check out my main channel, which is Downeast Thunder Creations. It's a lot of farm and homestead stuff around here at Downeast Thunder Farm. And hey, thanks for watching.
Hold on, girl, now wait just a minute. I've got something to say, you should hear it. Oh, I'm happy to make time.